Point. Anybody over here over 55? Man, raise your hand high if you're over 55. You've been having a whole lot of birthdays. That's a blessing. You know how many people didn't make it to their 55th birthday? They're in a box somewhere rotten. All right? So if you're over 55 right now, they're saying that 27% of that population is now using social media as engagement. So at one point, it was only, we thinking psychologically is only for the younger folks. So I'm trying to say is, yes, if you can, my mom has a Instagram page, and I was like going through Instagram, and I saw my mom's picture, and I almost threw my phone clear across the room. What are you doing with an Instagram page? I can see Facebook, but what I'm trying to tell you is they're opening up to other platforms, okay? So it can be a tool to actually wind up benefiting you and get you to the next level. And when we talk about platforms, we have an app in the App Store, all right? I'm not saying to boast or brag, but when we talk about having those touch points, about having accessibility, when we're thinking about the future, right? How many people are app driven? All of y'all, if you got a cell phone, you got an app, all right? So why aren't we thinking about these things, about creating these touch points to kind of put your clients in a position to be able to contact you, or for you to have this accessibility to put you in a better spot, okay? And the real reason why I want to tell you this is why customer experiences are going to be very important. When we're talking about laggers and leaders of customer experience, of the customer experience, okay? How can it actually affect you from a profitable standpoint? Profitability for companies who actually are investing and engaging in customer experience is 60% more profitable. The ones who don't care about it, it's only a 35% profit margin, okay? When we talk about customer IQ, all right, these things actually increase your customer's IQ. I remember when I started off 6 years ago, the type of client I have versus my particular type of client now. My clients' IQs have gotten better over a particular time. Why? Because we're nurturing them in a particular way, and they're actually investing into their particular referrals in a certain way. Therefore, it's actually coming from that particular standpoint.